Hey, good day everyone. Join me as we check out this gun safe here. Now when you get it in the box, it comes in a couple boxes, which is nice because it keeps it from being damaged, but it comes just like this. You'll notice it comes locked. It's because the keys are right in here in this accessory bag that comes with it. Here's everything that comes in the accessory bag and also some directions as well. Okay, you got the keypad. Right here's the emergency keyhole right there. Put that plug back in there on the door handle. Same thing down here. Got the key lock and the handle there. So unlocking this for the very first time, go ahead and put these right in there. All right, here's a look at the inside of it. Comes with one of those there too. Pull that out of there. Comes with 3 of these. Got one down there, and these are some anchoring fasteners. And this cool looking key right here, this goes in the bottom. And there's the drawer. Put your gold down there. First thing we're gonna do is go ahead and install the batteries here. All right, got the batteries in there. And it beeped when I put that last battery in there. All right, the default password on this is 1234. So it's locked now. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pound. There we go. It opens up. And it locks automatically. All right, to set your personal password with the door open, this green button to the left, you're going to want to push it. So we're going to push that button once. Now we go ahead and we'll go 147258 pound. That means it's set. It's nice this thing locks automatically, so let's see if our code worked. 147258 pound. There it is. Okay, to set the administrator password, which is just a second password, you want to go ahead and push 00 on the keypad and then reach around there and push that green button. Now we'll set up the administrator code. There it is. Okay, let's see if the administrator code worked. There it is. Yep. All right, as far as the alarm goes, if you enter the password incorrectly 3 times, the alarm will buzz. So let's just do something like this. There's 1, 2, here's the 3rd attempt. You can hear the alarm. That'll go off for 1 minute. If you enter the correct key code, it'll make that go off. All right, as far as the mute function goes, you want to hold the 1 key for 3 seconds, and the yellow light will stay on briefly. There it is. Now it's muted. Now to unmute, you press and hold the 1 key for 3 seconds, and the yellow light will stay on briefly, and the buzzer will sound once, restoring the sound. So there's that. There we go. Now we got sound restored. Okay, for arming and disarming the alarm, and when it's in sleep mode like it is here, so that just showed us that the alarm was armed. If the safe is subject to vibration, a 1-minute alarm will be triggered. So let's go ahead and shake this thing a little bit. Yep, there we go. And to turn that off, there we go. When unlocking, if the red indicator lights up, the battery voltage is low. That means you need to replace the batteries. Let's say you forget to replace your batteries and you can no longer get in this thing, or maybe you don't have the key. You've got an emergency battery box here, so leave this outside the safe and you just pop that in there. And now you got power to your lock here. All right, I got this thing in place now. You can also anchor it to the cement as well. This is great. You got a nice top shelf for storing stuff. This is great. Here you can put your pistols all in there. And I'll just go ahead and slide these things in there. Got all kinds of room for ammo and other things down here. Don't forget to pull your keys out. Really happy with this thing, and I'm going to use it a lot. Thanks for watching, everybody.